Why 90% of people never speak English after putting lots of effort? They have joined so many institutes, they have read so many books, they have been trying very hard, they have attended online, offline batches as well. So, what is the issue? Let's find it. Hi guys, my name is Saqib Pasha. You're watching Safal Book Learning. First of all, welcome to the session. And my answer is very straightforward. There are three types of people. One of them is very dangerous. If you fall in that category, please leave today. Okay. So number one. Number one is demotivated people. Yes, you heard it right. There are people who actually working very hard, but they are not able to speak English because they feel demotivated. Why they feel demotivated? They don't know the value of English. They don't have the right mindset to speak in English. They generally start very good, right? But after 2, 3 days or 5 days, they feel demotivated and they just drop the idea to become fluent speaker. Number two is hustler. Hustler category I love the most because they know the value as well. They are working very hard, but they don't have right process and right guidance. Just because of that, they are missing out. So guys, if you fall in this category, please stay till the end. I'll help you a lot. Or I will request you who are not falling in this category, but they want to learn English. This lesson is for you and especially designed for you guys. So please stay till the end. Number third. Number third is procrastinator. They know everything. They are very good at English, right? And they know how to speak. They know how to learn English. They know how to talk, but they are lazy. They know the value as well. So please, guys, if you fall in this category, please leave today. Whenever you get chance, please speak up and try to master this skill. This is very, very important. Why I'm saying like that? Today we are living in a global village, and in this village the language we follow, we use is English. And English communication is very important to grow in your life. Whatever you are doing, you are in corporate, you are working for yourself as a self-employed, whether you are doctor, a lawyer, whatever you are, right? Or you are a business owner, or you are a homemaker. This is a need of ours. So you have to master this skill. But if you don't know the right approach, so what you have to do, guys, there are 5 steps only. You need to answer these 5 questions and you are through. Your approach automatically will be corrected. Okay. So what you need to do now? Number one, first of all, you need to understand what is English. There are people who have been teaching you. I'm not blaming them. I'm just asking you to take action right by yourself. First answer yourself. What is English? Ask yourself, right? Look, in Asia, what we do generally, we have been learning English as a subject, but English is not subject, my dear friend. English is a language. We need to learn language in different way. There are several strategies we follow to master the language or any language for that matter, right? So what you need to do, you just need to first clarify in your mind that this is not a subject, this is a language and I learn from different way. I will give you that way. Don't worry. If you are not following me, you haven't subscribed yet this channel, so please do first that work. That is very, very important. We post everyday videos here. We motivate you. We always give you some strategies and tips. Do not forget to share as well with your friend. Number two, second question is, what is your English level? If you don't know how to check, there are several ways nowadays. You can go to the Google and just type how to check my English level. But problem is that, so guys, what there is one problem as well. You cannot check your complete English level. You can just check your grammar level over there. But if you want accuracy, if you want correct English level, there is second way, and that is very powerful. you can go to the description link, right? Go to description and find the link how to check your level or English level, test your English level. There is a link. Book a slot with our international certified communication coach. They will test your level in front of you live, right? And they will also guide you, or they will also give you the plan how to improve your English in next 30 days, or how to plan your journey, right? There will be a several benefit if you do that. So don't worry, that is completely for free. You can do now, but please watch complete video. After that you can do that. Okay. Number third, guys, is very important. After checking or after testing your level, first you need to post here in comment box what is your level, right? Tell the world this is my level. Do not afraid doing that. Please do that, okay? And then you have to make goal. If you come to us, then you do not need to do anything at all. We will do for you, okay? Don't worry. But if you are doing online, or you are doing from other places, so please make sure you make your goal, or you make your learning goal according to your level, right? If you don't know how to make goal, please comment. So please write in comment box. We definitely post another video for you how to make your goal according to the level, right? Number 4, we generally do not know the language nuances. We know English is a language, but language has some nuances. Number 4, what are the nuances of English language? Yes, you heard it right. Every language has some nuances, and you need to know if you want to master that language. So in English, if you see the English has 5 things majorly, but we generally talk about 4 things, right? Number 1 is sound and alphabet, word, sentence, and speech. What we do not talk much about sounds, right? We generally start with alphabet. So what are alphabet? Alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are alphabet. But so this English has 26 alphabet and it has 44 sound. Okay, so you got to understand that sounds may vary. We generally do not speak English, or we do not pronounce word according to the word. We pronounce word according to the sound, right? Because English has vowel, right? And vowel have different all vowels have different sounds. If you don't know, you can watch our video on pronunciation in this channel only, right? You will find each and every things in detail. Next, guys. So, and next is word. Word is when alphabet come together and it makes some meaning. It's called word, right? And the next word is sentence. Sentence is Next is sentence. Sentence is something we speak, we talk, we have conversation. This is very important for any language. Last but not the least is speech. So guys, we generally focus on sentence only. And number 5, how to make sentence is very important, and I don't want to waste your time. I just want to give you the magic formula, and if you want to learn in detail, sentence is something we cannot discuss in 1 or 2 seconds, right? So if you want to learn from zero how to make sentences, it has several rules, several things. It relate with the grammar, but people think that grammar is very difficult to learn. Hey, no, grammar is not difficult. The way we learn grammar is difficult, right? Why grammar actually had been made? Because to make English easy. But in our country, in Asia, grammar is making English difficult, right? This is our problem, not with grammar, right? So we need to learn some structure to master the language to make quick sentences. So if you don't have the right process and right guidance, do not worry, guys. We have been running a course completely for free on this channel. You join every day 7 to 8 p.m. You will get to know that how to make quick sentence. Okay, we have been giving lots of practice sentences. When you can using that, you can practice at home. You can work on your skill by yourself. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button as well as subscribe this channel. and hit the bell icon as well. If you want to ask a specific question, please write in comment box. We definitely consider your question and will make video according to that. Thank you so much, guys. Let's meet in another lecture. Bye bye.